Welcome back to the channel that helps you rethink money and unlock financial freedom. Today's topic is a powerful truth that changed the way I manage money forever. Most people try to save whatever is left after they've spent their income. But that's exactly why they stay stuck, living paycheck to paycheck. If you follow this principle consistently, it will transform your financial future. So let's break it down step by step and show you how to apply this in your own life. Let's start with what most people do. You receive your paycheck. You start paying bills, buying groceries, dining out, and maybe treating yourself a little. Then you check your account at the end of the month and decide if you can save anything. Sometimes you save a little. Most times, there's nothing left to save. This reactive approach puts your future at the mercy of your present lifestyle. And if your lifestyle keeps expanding, your savings will never grow. That's where the problem begins. People are trying to save in reverse. And that's the secret of the wealthy. They save first, before spending a single dollar. This mindset is called pay yourself first. It's one of the most effective money rules ever created. You set aside a percentage of your income for your future, right off the top. This money goes into your savings, investments, or emergency fund, automatically. What's left after that is what you use to live on. This method forces you to spend within your means. It may feel uncomfortable at first, but it's a game changer over time. Let's say you make $3,000 a month. That's $600 saved automatically at the beginning of the month. Now you budget your life around the remaining $2,400. You learn to adjust your lifestyle to fit your savings goal, not the other way around. This builds a habit of financial self-respect. It teaches you the difference between needs and wants. And it ensures that your money works for you, instead of just disappearing every month. The best way to apply this is through automation. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings account on payday. That way, you remove willpower and temptation from the equation. You won't even see the money, because it already went toward your goals. Now some of you might be thinking, but I barely make enough to get by. That's understandable, but this rule still applies. Even if it's 5% or $50 a month, the habit is more important than the amount. Once you start saving consistently, it becomes part of who you are. As your income grows, so does your ability to save more. Start small, but start now. Second, it allows you to invest early and take advantage of compound growth. Third, it gives you peace of mind, because you're prepared for life's unexpected turns. And finally, it breaks the cycle of financial stress and creates lasting confidence. If you water it every month, even just a little, it grows strong. But if you wait until you have extra water, it will wither. The same goes for money. Save first, and you'll always have a financial safety net and room to grow. Many people wait for the perfect time to start saving. But the perfect time doesn't exist. Start with what you have. Start where you are. The habit matters more than the dollars. Here's a simple 3-step plan to start today. Step 1. Choose a percentage of your income to save. Start with 10% if you can. Step 2. Set up an automatic transfer to a savings or investment account. Step 3. Create a realistic monthly budget based on what's left after saving. Once you commit to this method, your money begins to work for you, not against you. You stop living in reaction and start living with intention. The richest people in the world live by this rule. They know that wealth isn't just about making money, it's about keeping it and growing it. And they understand that the discipline to save comes before the rewards of success. This approach helped me build my first emergency fund. It helped me start investing with confidence. And it taught me that consistency, not perfection, is what leads to wealth. Every dollar you save today is a seed planted for tomorrow. Don't wait until your account is empty to think about your future. Put your future first, and let your spending fit what remains. Thank you for watching and investing your time into learning how to take control of your money. If this video helped shift your mindset or gave you a new perspective, make sure to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more smart financial strategies. We're here every week, helping you build a better future, one decision at a time. Save first, live smart, and let your money work for you, not the other way around. Let me know if you want this in video format, as a blog post, or with visuals, slides for presentation or social media.